In this lecture, I'll explain you how to calculate effective annual rate. Normally, banks announce or advertise annual percentage rate. That is, what is the rate of interest that they are paying or that they are collecting per annum. Whereas this annual percentage rate will be different from effective annual rate. This is because of the compounding nature of interest payments. As you know and understand that in time value of money, the amount which you have in hand today will worth more than the amount that you are going to receive in a future date. This is because if the money that you have today, you can reinvest it and earn more money. Similarly, if interest is paid in a different compounding periods, then the effective rate will be more than the normal rate. Why? Because in a compounding, the first interest that you have will earn interest for the second time period, and cumulatively these two interest amounts will earn interest in the third period. This we call as a compounding process. So in this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate effective rate, that is effective annual rate, which is different from annual percentage rate. Here is an example. There are two banks, one is the HDFC Bank and second one is the ICICI Bank. HDFC Bank pays annual interest rate of 7.10%, compounded semi-annually, that is for every 6 months. On the other hand, ICICI Bank pays interest rate of 7%, compounded monthly basis. So which bank offers the highest effective annual interest rate, so that you can make your investment, whether you choose the HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank. At the outset, you can think that the HDFC Bank, which is paying an annual rate of 7.1%, is higher. But actually, you need to look at the effective annual rate. So to calculate your effective annual rate, first we'll take this one, HDFC Bank. Annual rate is 0.071. This is the annual rate, and compounding period semi-annually. That means there are two compounding periods. So two compounding periods. To get effective annual rate in Excel, you need to use the function called as effect. So this equals to EFFECT, effect. Then nominal rate. This is the nominal rate, that is annual payment rate. This comma, your number of periods, that is number of compounding periods. Select this one, close the bracket, press enter key. So this is annual effective rate is 0.0723, which is higher than your nominal rate. Now we calculate for the ICICI Bank. In case of ICICI Bank, the rate of interest is 7% annual rate, and compounding is monthly. That means 12 compounding periods, and your effective rate is equals to effect, then the nominal rate, comma, compounding periods. Close the bracket, press enter key. So this is also 0.0723. That means it will make no difference whether you invest in HDFC Bank, which pays an annual rate of 7.1%, or an ICICI Bank, which pays a 7% compounded monthly. This is how you can calculate effective annual rate using Excel effect function. Thank you.